morning! We are at the starting line of the Now City International Ultra Trail, and as you can see, our elite athletes are on the they're also competitive on the dance floor. So it's 15 minutes before the gun start, and the runners are warming up with Zumba exercise. So things are heating up here at the starting line. Hi, Aggie! Hi, Angge! Hi, Ma'am Ellie! Energized na? Walang hawak ang beat. Walang hawak po ang beat. Isang hawak nga ang beat, Angge. Ayan niya si Humen. So the mood here is very festive. So the gun start is at 2 in the morning. So we have followers who are watching. Hello, hello. So are our viewers preparing for your early morning trail session? See how cooperative our runners are. So Cebu is known for its festivals, lively festivals. So maybe that's why the locals are very lively. So our viewers can also follow the Zumba if you want to be energized or warmed up for your early morning exercise. No po, sir. Good luck. So we have runners from Iloilo. Iloilo. Sir Gerson. Ay, Sir Pip. You will be joining PTMF. Mag-join ka sa PTMF. So we also have Nirmala. Hello, Nirmala. How are you feeling? Okay, so I hope you enjoy the race. It's I think it will be hot today. Good luck, good luck. So we have runners from Malaysia. We have runner from Malaysia. Hi, sir. Are you aiming for a Grandmaster Quest Star? 3-star. So sir is working on his 3-star Grandmaster. From which country are you? Vietnam. Hi. So we have runners from Malaysia and Vietnam. So of course, majority of the runners are from Cebu. The trail running community in Cebu is very much growing. So we can see familiar faces. We have, she was not presented earlier, but we have an elite athlete. We have Kim. Of course, Kim is a consistent podium finisher. So her last excellent finish was in the 50-mile category of Hong Kong, Nine Dragons in Hong Kong. So how are you feeling, Kim? Is this a surprise entry?
So run with purpose, run with pride,
here in Cebu.
Spirit of the now in every stride. We wish you luck and stay
Wow.
safe. And
So,
we will be waiting.
what's your strategy? Because the elite field is very stacked.
Alright. Once again, palagpakan po natin Vice Mayor Ivy Durano!
Of course, you'll do well. You will do
And
well.
now, ladies and
So,
gentlemen,
Kim is considered one of the dark horses in the trail running. That's okay, from Cebu. So we also have one of the elite runners from Cebu, Miss Josephine. So Miss Josephine, any message or is this your first time doing the Danao? Even if you're from Cebu, this is your first time. So, and is this also your first 100-kilometer race? Okay, good luck. But I've heard that you've won a lot of races here in Cebu. So you're one of the faces to watch. Yeah, okay. I hope you do well. Injury-free finish.
remember, dehydrate every station. Dapat load every station. Okay? Remember also the tower thing. Need to stop at your speed.
We have not seen in the starting corral the elite
So that's the
male.
area. Okay? So wish you luck and see you at the finish line. And also the ribbons.
We also have
will you bring,
participants from Davao.
also the signages.
From Davao.
Left and right.
Hello.
You need to see that one.
Are you aiming for
And make sure
Grandmaster
it,
Star?
100 kilometers. Same,
For how many
same the-
star? Wow. Ken is aiming for his 3-star
Yung may mga
Grandmaster
dadanan
title.
nilagit namin ng concentrate. Is hindi doon
So we have
tatlong daanan.
RD Julian.
Alright?
She
Ready na?
joined the second edition of
10 minutes
the
left.
Now City International Ultra Trail in
Alrighty.
2025, where she, of course,
Alrighty,
placed in
palagpakan po
the
natin
podium.
RD Hersan Ipil!
Julian will not be joining this edition,
Ladies and
but she
gentlemen,
will
presenting to
supporting her friends from Davao, and of course supporting the Asian Trail Master coverage. Thank you, RD Julian. So of course we have him again. So we'll just go to the.
Our gun start will be led to us by our very own Vice Mayor.
We have the technical racer, Sir Boying.
As the clock goes down to the 5-minute mark.
So it's 6 minutes.
We got different
before the
athletes from the globe here tonight to vie for the winning of the Now City's 3rd edition International Ultra Trail Champion. We got countries competing tonight from different parts of the globe. We have athletes from Nepal,
Just joined the Sierra Madre
Korea,
last weekend.
Malaysia.
I'm seeing a familiar face. We have Sir Jensen Pasaporte from Davao. From Davao. Of course, you remember him. He was one of the podium finishers in the previous edition of Sierra Madre Trail Ultra. Of course, one of the strongest runners in Davao.
All right, going away, smile! Yeah! Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Or your favorite.
We got the beast from St. Thomas United Drummers.
Both the men and women's field.
Everybody say yeah! gentlemen, in front of you, the 100-kilometer category, about to set off the journey
We also have
today,
Aggie.
live here at Manoamon Park.
And we also have Elizabeth.
We got the Brave 100, ladies and gentlemen.
Malaray.
101 sila, pero ang tunga sa itong starting line, 100 rin po, exactly 100. We are wishing them strength, endurance, and the willpower to finish 100 kilometers safely. Cross the finish line safely.
In hearts, before we remember, we are live via the Now City Government Facebook page, the Now City International Ultra Trail page, and also via My TV Cebu channel. So in case you have some photos with you, friends, don't forget to hashtag GCIUT3.
That is right, Miss Mitch. And of course, Miss Mitch, sobrang excited ng mga Danawanons. Naagad sila karoon na rin nagtapok sa plaza para sobrang ang 100 Brave Warriors of DCIUT3.
Can we hear your cheer, everyone?
Magiyawan na bakingay!
Sabauna nato sila sa itong mga cheers. The longest, the hardest distance among all four.
That's right, Miss Mitch.
So this 100-kilometer category is part of the Asia Trail Master Grandmaster Quest
And we
calendar.
have a lot of things to do para yun sa pagsugat po sa sunod na mga kategorya. We got 1 minute and 13 seconds. And then on the last
We will just
30 seconds,
move.
we will give them the silence and the prayer of safety.
This start will definitely be very competitive because of the lineup.
Kilometers are very own Vice Mayor Ivy Durano. And of course, I'd like to acknowledge Ms. Mitchell, our mayor, no? Mayor naman, Nicole Durano. All right, head-ups on! Everybody,
So
head-ups
1 minute before the gun starts. So who do you think will win? And now showing
Gagawin kayo ng
starting
grupo,
line.
pinahidaghan kayo ng mga international athletes, no? Panahon karon.
So we have international athletes. We have runners from Nepal, from Malaysia, from Vietnam. Of course, we're also proudly represented by our local runners from, of course, Cebu, Davao, Bukidnon. We have runners from Northern Luzon, from Manila. So, and off we go!
Here we go, 100 kilometers! Opisyal na nag-iablihan sa ato ang Vice Mayor Ivy Durano ang 100 kilometers category.
So the vibe
With
is
us, the
very
Danawanos,
festive
mga
with the fireworks.
na naadiligaw ba natin sa Plaza Manoamon.
So stay tuned as we provide updates from selected sections of the race. We'll be going to some of the 8 stations to give updates. So by the final glimpse of the fireworks. So see you later. Please tune in for updates. We'll be sharing race reports from the 8 stations.